Alright guys, I'm leaving the dealership right now. Just got the tires installed. And as with any new tire, you always need to take it a little bit cautious for at least maybe like 50 miles or so. You gotta go out and get them scrubbed in. The surface layer on these tires can be a little bit slick for the initial break-in period on them. Some people, you know, they choose what mileage they feel comfortable when these things are fully broken in. So as you can see, I'm just doing some kind of little swerves right here to heat them up. I'm gonna take them out on a short ride and just try to scrub them in a little bit, get them heated up before I go home. So far they feel really good. The responsiveness is nice, but I mean, that's how new tires are, man. You get a lot of nice responsiveness when you have that perfect, you know, roundness to your tire still. They're gonna feel a lot better than a tire that's squared off or has a lot of wear on it. So yeah, as you guys can see, I posted the video yesterday with the initial ride with the new camera, right? And I have to say, like, I'm super impressed with the quality. Visually, I think it's on par with the GoPro. I didn't notice any like real visual difference. The colors are nice, the quality is good. The audio though, man, the audio is leaps and bounds better than what it was on the GoPro. The GoPro was definitely like just super input sensitive to the audio. There was absolutely no peaking, no popping with the Insta360 here. I mean, just beautiful audio, super impressed. And I couldn't be more happy. Like, I can actually go out and get these riding videos in when I go out and hit these back roads, especially with the group. You know, I can get all that footage and come back and edit a nice little video for you guys. Like, I was trying to make a video about counter steering when I was out on that last ride a couple weekends ago, or last weekend, whatever it was. And you know, it was just so disappointing when I got to that first rest stop and I had 20 minutes of us kind of just commuting, trying to get to the back roads. So, but now I've got this reliable camera. Hopefully it continues to do a good job. I did switch out the mount. I've got a different mount on here. I don't know if it's making too much difference with the camera angle. I do have a little extension arm set coming from Amazon today that I should be able to use to get this exactly where I want it. But I mean, the camera angle yesterday wasn't terrible. It's just not 100% where I'd like it to be. Yeah, so far, man, these tires, they feel pretty good. I'm gonna do a couple little more serpentine things right here, get them heated up. Always nice to be on a fresh set of tires, man. The bike just, they feel brand new. Like, tires makes everything feel so much better on a motorcycle. Makes you feel like you just rolled off the showroom floor. The responsiveness and the handling is just great. Little tiny pool right there. It's a little bit uphill, so it's not quite as quick as it can be. So, making excuses for the old little bike. So once I get these tires scrubbed in, and probably going to go out on at least one ride this weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend coming up. Should definitely be able to get out there and get a nice ride in with the group, I would assume. And hopefully make you guys the video I wanted to make you some time ago. Kind of go over the basics of counter steering. What is counter steering? Why you counter steer? Why it's important to know how to counter steer. I'm also thinking of doing like a beginner basics video as well, so if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. I'll kind of go over all the basic functions of a motorcycle, you know, how to ride a motorcycle, how to start, that kind of thing. I know there's tons of information out there, but everybody has their own view and their own perspective on these kind of things, so I'm gonna get prepared to do a video like that for you guys. The dealership also did an update to my TFT display. They updated it from I want to say it's version 42. Well, no. I think they took it from 5v39 and they put 5v42 on it. I'll have to verify exactly which one it's on. Not really sure what the update entails, like what exactly you get out of that. Let me see if I can try to get to... Oh no, it's blocked off because I'm riding right now. I'll pull over on the side of the road up here and we'll see what version it's on. Alright, so I pulled over into the Geico building parking lot here. I'm just gonna take a quick peek into the preferences. I believe it's in... Maybe it's not preferences. Oh, there we go. So it's inside of service. So try to zoom in onto there. You can see it's on 5v42 now. So yeah, that's the most up-to-date firmware they have for the TFT display. Not really sure what it does or what it fixes. He said it was just like the multi-function control update, which is basically the dash in and of itself. Not sure I noticed anything different about the motorcycle. It does seem a little bit smoother, actually. I'm not sure if that's just a placebo effect or what. Idle seems a little bit smoother. I can't say it's anything drastic, but the idle does feel alright. Maybe a little less vibey than it was before, a little less lumpy. Throttle actually feels a little bit better too, so maybe there was an update in the drive-by-wire system, because that's part of the multi-function controls, I guess. Throttle input feels pretty good. I'm not sure if it's just like my mind playing tricks on me or what, but it does feel a little bit smoother and the throttle input feels a lot nicer. I feel like the engine is being a little bit more precise with me with the throttle, so maybe there was a small update to the throttle input. So if you're not running the latest firmware on your Duke 390, get the update. Let me know what you think. You guys that have had the update in the past or anything like that, let me know. Did you notice like a little bit of like a throttle calibration difference or something maybe? It does seem like it, I don't know, it just seems like it revs a little bit more smoothly. But like I said, it could just be my mind playing tricks on me, thinking that I got something something extra out of a little update in the firmware, you know? Feels good. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Just a small little little vlog, little update. Got the bike out of the shop, got the tires put on it this morning, got the TFT firmware updated. It does feel a little bit different in the throttle department. Throttle feels a little bit sharper, a little more refined. But like I said, could just be a placebo effect. As always, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really motivates me and helps me to make more content and want to bring you guys more things to watch. Also, leave a like on the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm understand that people want to watch this content. So if you want to watch it and you enjoyed it, please hit that like button for me. As always, guys, stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.